We also need to consider our audience. So as we're writing, now this is kind of taking those insights that you've tracked because you know what story you want to tell. You've built your capacity. You've found the right tools to help you track what did you do, how well did you do it, and how people are better off. But now when you're writing your impact story, we have to think about our audience and tailor our message to our audience. So thinking about our different stakeholder groups, who is most interested in what? And that might be different, right? You may have a government funder who wants to see that social return on investment. They want to see that cost per success. But you may have a foundation funder or a corporate philanthropy group that really cares about, let's say, they're really interested in the needs of children. And so you'll use your qualitative data about who you serve to appeal to them, because you're going to share with them, this is who we serve. We're working with this population that you care about. And so you do want to think about your audiences as you're telling the story and tailoring the message using your outcome data to tailor the message based on the information that you found. You also want to think about what actions do you hope they take? What learnings do they hope they learn? One of the best, most impactful impact statements I see is when organizations take their data and they're not changing the data. They're not manipulating the data. This is real, true data, but they're taking the data and they're using it to inspire their stakeholder groups that they're sharing this with to take action. So whether it's advocacy, like I said, maybe you're learning that, wow, we're able to get people into these jobs, but the jobs just aren't at the wage level that they need to be for them to be able to be stably housed. We'll take that information. Don't look at it as a negative because only 35% of your clients were stably housed at the end of the year. No, take those learnings and insights to go advocate for policy change, to go fundraise for more programming, to look at how you can scale what's successful and say, this is working in our community, give us more money. So think about what action you want them to take because of this information and use it to create a very powerful impact statement.